Okay, so lesson 2, 8th grade. Yesterday we did the volume of a cylinder, and today we're going to do the volume of a cone. So we should be practiced the cylinder. If you remember, the volume of a cylinder equals the base area, pi r squared, times the height. The volume of a cone, let's take a look at some pictures here. Okay, notice the cone goes to a point. So you got the side here. It's definitely much less than what would be in the cylinder, right? Because we're cutting out all of this. And so it's a fractional part of the cylinder, and the magic number is 1/3. The cone holds 1/3 of the volume that a cylinder holds. So those of you who ever had a snow cone, okay, the pointy cone is a trick to make it seem like more. It's only 1/3 of what it would be if it was in a cup, the shape of a cylinder. So let's take a quick look here. So you have here a cone and a cylinder with the same height. Here the volume equals pi times r squared times h. Here the volume equals 1/3 of what this is. 1/3 of pi times r squared times h. So you're going to get a number here and a number here, and you're going to put them into this formula. Use your calculator. Again, some questions say exact answer. An exact answer has pi in the answer. A decimal answer doesn't. Some of them that say exact answer will have you putting pi into it. Some of them that are decimals will say use 1 or 3.14 for pi. You're going to have to always read the instructions on the test to see what it's asking you to do. So let's move on to a couple of examples. So, and forgive me, but I'm not going to be showing you the whole thing on most of these, but I am going to show you how to put it in the formula. So in your Alex notebook, until you've got these formulas memorized, right, and even a little while after that, you should write the formula, 1/3 pi r squared h. Just write it down. Then you put in what you know, okay? So volume equals 1/3 times, let's say it said to use 3.14 instead of pi, and then r is 5 feet, 5 squared times 8. 5 squared is 25 times 8 is 200. 200 times 1/3, we would get 200 thirds if we were using pi. That would be in our answer. Feet cubed. Now I'm thinking that one day I'm going to put the paper assignment on there on Google Classroom, because with these particular formulas, there's a value to learning of writing it down and doing this work. So you put this in your calculator and you push equals, okay? What I did is 25 times 8, that's 200. 1/3 times that is 200 over 3 pi. You're going to do times 3.14. Okay, over here you have 20 for the radius, 15 for the height. So this would be volume equals 1/3 times pi times 20 squared times 15. Now, see, if I was doing math, 1/3 times pi, 20 squared is 400 times 15. Okay, That'd be 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. So, equals 1/3 times pi times 6,000. See, to me, math is fun. Well, 1/3 times 6,000, that's like divide this by 3. If I move that 3 over there, right, is 2,000 times pi, centimeters, cubic centimeters. Now this is what we call the exact answer because it has pi in it. Pi is an irrational number, but it's a constant, it's an exact number. When you use 3.14 instead of pi, so 3.14 times 2,000 would be, well, 2 times this is 6.28. Add the 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 centimeters cubed. This is an approximation for this. This is an exact answer. This is an approximation. Okay, so you've got some of these to figure out. The last couple are cylinders, so don't get tricked and do the wrong math, okay? And good luck. We'll see you next time.